Welcome to Nexlify. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Edge AI.
Edge AI, that sounds interesting. What exactly is it, Dr. Monica?
Edge AI is about bringing computations closer to the data source, like having a mini AI engine inside your smartphone.
So it processes data directly on the device instead of sending it to a centralized data center.
Exactly, Alex. It reduces latency and bandwidth usage, which is crucial for real-time applications.
Imagine self-driving cars making split-second decisions locally without relying on cloud lag.
In industries, Edge AI enhances predictive maintenance by analyzing machinery data on site.
Is this why virtual assistants respond faster these days?
Yes, local processing improves response time and reliability, especially when networks are unpredictable.
It also boosts privacy. Sensitive data doesn't always need to leave the device.
That's reassuring, especially with data privacy concerns on the rise.
Furthermore, Edge AI can be energy efficient, optimizing battery usage for IoT devices.
Alex, in our field, Edge AI supports real-time security camera feeds with immediate threat detection.
Wow, that's transformative. Are there any challenges to adopting Edge AI?
Certainly. Challenges include limited hardware capabilities and the complexity of deploying models at scale.
Integration with existing systems can also be tricky, requiring significant shifts in infrastructure.
It sounds like an evolving field with huge potential, though.
Absolutely. And innovation is rapid. Major tech companies are heavily investing in this space.
In fact, new frameworks and tools make it easier for developers to create powerful Edge AI solutions.
As we wrap up, remember that the future of AI isn't just in the cloud, it's at the edge, reshaping our interaction with technology.
Thanks for this insightful discussion, Dr. Monica and Priya. Until next time on Nexlify.